This is Chris with Custom F and Customs, and we just got our wide body kit for the Speedwagon BMW 325 Xi, and we're gonna unbox the wide body from K2 Industries, and we're gonna check that shit out. Here's some bubble wrap ASMR. Bubble wrap ASMR for you to go to sleep. BMW. K2 gave us a little wagon keychain. Dowel pins in there. Put it up there. Oh, it is. Nice. ASB plastic. Super lightweight too. A lot stronger than fiberglass. That's for damn. Cool. I'm stoked on these. Curious on heat range. Seeing if they get in like floppy and stuff. Rear panel. Out to the door. Oh. From Germany, or not from Germany, but from Poland. Guys are actually super quick. I guess they probably already had them pre-made. They're usually 5 to 6 weeks when you purchase it from K2. You guys are on it. About 2 weeks to ship out. And I was surprised. I wasn't expecting it to like 3 or 4 more weeks, honestly. So check these guys out. K2. Our discount code is. We got the wide body kit mounted up with magnets. It actually looks pretty good. So this is the driver's side. It's up. This obviously is sticking out, looking a little jank. It's gonna mount up really good. It's gonna be sick without the little side markers. I don't like the side markers personally. Some people do. Some people hate the side vent. I like the side vent. And then, yeah, that looks pretty sick. Get it nice and riveted, buttoned up, looking clean. And then we're gonna mount up to the driver's side. Or I mean, driver's side, the passenger side. Fucking hot. Passenger side is on. Actually, believe when we picked this up, someone tweaked up the suspension, so that's why it's all fucked up. Looking a little jankle. Of course, front fender jankle. But when it's mounted up right, it's gonna look sick. So check these guys out. K2, our Our discount code is custom, or no, not custom customs, but CFNC5. CFNC5. Alright, thanks for checking out this video. Later.